I heard that you've been promoted.
Hey, where did you hear that?
From one of your colleagues. He just posted it on social media.
Oh, thank you. I've been waiting for this for some time.
Yeah, so it was for a celebration, right?
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Business Invest. Have a seat, sir. Sir?
What would you like to drink? Tell me.
I think give us a rice will do.
Okay.
How about
I'll go with the Giglet Classic.
you? Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
We would like to order 1 tequila sunrise and 1 giblet classic.
1 tequila sunrise and 1 gin sweet. By the way, sir. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. We prepared a table for you with a nice view. This way, please, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir. Have a seat, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your order. Tequila sunrise and giblet classic.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. How about you?
Oh, let's cheers to that. Congratulations.
Thank you. I think it's kind of boring here.
Yeah, because there's no music. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
I would like to ask, why is there no music in your bar area?
I'm sorry, sir. We apologize for that. Because as of now, we are having some technical issues about our sound system. But we are trying our best to fix it better.
Okay, thank you. Oh, I think it's time for me to go.
I think they'll be going soon. Waiter.
Excuse me, sir.
Let's keep the change.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you also. Okay?
Alright, let's go.
Morning pa rin. Kasama na sa iya. Well, by the way, thank you for your service. We love the drinks. You love the drinks? Oh, thank you for your service. The drinks is delicious. My body loves it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for choosing SSNBS Reservoir. Please come visit